Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see, I have a play button hoodie from YouTube. How exciting is that? Awesome, right? I'm trying to show you. You probably can see it. Here's the play button. Like, it's so awesome because actually YouTube sent me a tracking number. And guess where this came from? China. China, right? Yeah, China. I like it so much. It's nice and comfy. That's nice. And I picked medium, but I think it should have got small. Because, number one, look. Look at this. Well, look how it looks like when you do this. I like it. I like it. So comment down below if you like it. Comment down below if you like it. Oh! So, I like it. It came today. Once again, this is from China. Amazon told me like this, like the beginning of January. Now it's like at the end of January. So it took almost a whole month, which is crazy, right? See you guys tomorrow.